Okay. Hello, my name is Michelle, and I gotta do this all over again because this stupid computer is not working very good. But good try again, and hopefully it works. You know what? I think I gotta change another song because I messed up on it, and I don't want to mess up on it again. And I know you guys are not knowing what I'm talking about, but I tried this again, but I had to reconnect the whole thing because it's stupid. Okay, I have some songs. Oh, I like a song. Okay, I'll do this song. Okay, I like this song. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No high below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It was really good. Thank you, thank you. I like singing. It's my favorite thing to do when I'm bored. And hopefully you like this, and I'm gonna put this on Facebook, and yeah. Okay. Okay, if I do this, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This is